Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hero XPulse 200, the ultimate adventure bike for the everyday rider. The Hero XPulse 200 stands out in the world of motorcycles as a testament to Hero MotoCorp's commitment to creating versatile, affordable, and reliable bikes. Launched in 2019, the XPulse 200 has quickly gained a reputation as an ideal entry-level adventure motorcycle. It combines rugged design, off-road capability, and everyday practicality, making it a favorite among new riders and seasoned adventurers alike. Design and build. The Hero XPulse 200's design is a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. Its tall stance, long travel suspension, and spoked wheels give it a rugged look, ready to tackle any terrain. The high-mounted exhaust and bash plate underscore its off-road intentions, while the LED headlamp and digital instrument cluster add a modern touch. The bike's ergonomics are designed for comfort during long rides. The wide handlebars and upright seating position ensure that the rider can handle both city commutes and off-road trails with ease. The XPulse 200's build quality is robust, designed to withstand the rigors of adventurous riding while remaining manageable for everyday use. Performance. At the heart of the Hero XPulse 200 is a 199.6cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This power plant delivers 18.08 bhp at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 16.45 Nm of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute, providing enough grunt for both urban traffic and light off-road trails. The engine's fuel injection system ensures smooth power delivery and better fuel efficiency. The XPulse 200 comes equipped with a 5-speed gearbox, allowing for a range of speeds suitable for various riding conditions. While it may not be the most powerful engine in its class, it strikes a balance between performance and fuel economy, which is crucial for an adventure bike meant to cover long distances. Off-road capability. What truly sets the Hero XPulse 200 apart is its off-road prowess. The bike features a long travel suspension with a 190mm front fork and a 170mm rear monoshock, providing ample cushioning over rough terrain. Its 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, fitted with dual-purpose tires, offer excellent grip and stability on dirt paths and gravel roads. The XPulse 200's ground clearance of 220mm ensures that obstacles like rocks and logs are easily navigated without damaging the undercarriage. The bike also features a switchable ABS, allowing riders to lock the rear wheel for more controlled slides in off-road conditions. This combination of features makes the XPulse 200 an excellent companion for those looking to explore beyond the tarmac. Technology and features. Hero MotoCorp has equipped the XPulse 200 with a host of modern features that enhance its usability and appeal. The fully digital instrument cluster provides a wealth of information, including speed, trip meters, gear indicator, and a digital clock. Additionally, it offers Bluetooth connectivity, enabling turn-by-turn navigation, a feature that's particularly useful for adventure riders exploring unfamiliar areas. The LED headlamp and taillight improve visibility during night rides, while the USB charging port ensures that your devices remain powered throughout your journey. These thoughtful additions make the XPulse 200 not just an adventure bike, but a well-rounded machine for everyday use. Value for money. One of the most compelling aspects of the Hero XPulse 200 is its affordability. Priced competitively in the adventure bike segment, it offers exceptional value for money. The bike's low maintenance costs and Hero's extensive service network further enhance its appeal to budget-conscious riders. The Hero XPulse 200 is more than just an adventure bike, it's a versatile companion for riders seeking a blend of daily usability and off-road capability. Its thoughtful design, capable performance, and modern features make it a standout choice in the entry-level adventure motorcycle market. Whether you're navigating city streets, embarking on a weekend trail ride, or planning a long-distance journey, the XPulse 200 is equipped to handle it all, proving that you don't need to break the bank to enjoy the thrill of adventure riding.